Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're good. So am I, and I'm genuinely so excited to make today's video because this is one of the most requested video on my channel. Almost every single day, I receive messages on Instagram and YouTube asking Didi, ICICI Bank PO program kab aayega? Ma'am, is it coming back or not? Can fresher apply? How did you got selected? Can you become deputy manager just after graduation? Finally, I have some good news for you all. The most known program, ICICI Bank PO program, is back. Yes, it is back. And the moment I saw this notification, मुझे ऐसा था कि मैं कब video बनाऊं. So I immediately thought that I'll make the video. And why? Because this isn't just another recruitment update for me. This program literally changed my career. If you're new to my channel and don't know much about me, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Diksha, and before becoming a content creator, I worked in ICICI Bank for almost 4 years as deputy manager. Yes, I was selected through this ICICI Bank PO program. So whatever I'm going to tell you today is not just something I read on Google. I'm sharing my personal experience along with the latest update. That's why I want you to watch this video till end, because मैं कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी share करूँगी that nobody will tell you before joining the bank industry. Trust me, this point can save you from a lot of confusion later. So before we start, let me tell you something. When I completed my graduation, I was exactly where maximum of you are. I was confused about my coming life, about my career. So I used to give exams of SSC bank and everything, and suddenly ICICI bank का पेपर आया. I cleared it, and मुझे नहीं पता था ICICI bank के बारे में, to be honest. And then उसका एक पेपर था. This was ICICI bank PO program. उस टाइम पे था. उस टाइम पे 1 year का था. And then I cleared my paper and I got recruited as PO, deputy manager, at that time. Those 4 years taught me banking knowledge, communication skills, professionalism, and lot more. And these skills still help me today, even as a content creator. And whenever someone asks me whether this program is worth applying for, I never answer immediately, because before applying, you should understand what this role actually is. Many students now also think that banking means just sitting at a desk, counting cash and going home. But no, modern banking, private banking is completely different. We'll talk about this today. So let's come to the biggest question. Is this the same PO program through which I joined, or many other पुराने लोगों ने जिन्होंने join किया है, ये वही program है? But the answer is not exactly. It's not same. Earlier when I joined, ICICI Bank PO program was conducted in partnership by ICICI Manipal Academy. The training structure and duration were different. तब 1 साल की training होती थी ICICI Manipal Academy में. उसका मैंने बहुत डिटेल में सब कुछ अपने चैनल में बताया है. You can go through that. Now ICICI Bank has introduced a new format. The current program, जो अब ये वाला program है, it's a 2-month residential probationary officer program. And in 2 months में जो selected candidates होते हैं उनको training दी जाती है to prepare them for customer facing banking roles. And if you successfully complete the training and assessment, you are considered for employment with ICICI Bank. Don't think अगर आपको message आता है that you are selected for training and everything तो आपकी job लगी. No, you have to complete the assessments and everything that is conducted in those 2 months. Only then you will be considered. Okay, so now the most important part, eligibility criteria and selection processes का क्या होता है. So पहले हम eligibility की बात करते हैं. So it's same as was for old PO program. इसमें you must have done minimum graduation from a recognized university. Postgraduates जो है they can also apply, and इसमें upper age limit है. So you can check that. Or eligibility you should always check before applying. And ICICI Bank Universe is the best app जो कि it will help you. And most asked question is can freshers apply? So yes, definitely ये program ही freshers के लिए design किया गया है. Okay, so this was the eligibility criteria. And now coming to the selection process. तो इसमें basically 3 steps है. सबसे पहला तो है आपका online assessment. इसमें they generally it will include aptitude, logical reasoning, numerical ability, verbal ability and analytical skills. ये है. So be prepared. बिना preparation के मत देना paper. Okay. And the second step is communication assessment. इसमें क्या होता है? This is one of the most important stages, because since ICICI Bank deals with customers every day, so they look for candidate who can communicate confidently and professionally. Good English help, but confidence and clarity matters more. Then आता है आपका personal interview, and during my interviews I was generally asked about myself, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ICICI Bank के बारे में. जितने मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे ना, उसकी मैंने एक स्पेशल वीडियो वीडियो बनाई है अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल में, मैं उसका लिंक दे दूंगी कि मेरे से कितना कुछ पूछा गया था, डिटेल में मैंने वो वीडियो बनाई है. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट आप अगर अगर आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस कमिंग इनटू दिस ICICI बैंक, सो डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू दैट वीडियो, इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. फिर आता है जब आपका ये सारा प्रोसेस हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट अ मैसेज दैट यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड फॉर द ट्रेनिंग. नाउ ट्रेनिंग में क्या आता है, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम जो है वो ट्रेनिंग ही है, बिकॉज द बैंक डजंट एक्सपेक्ट यू टू नो एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम डे वन ऑब्वियसली. सो ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग यू विल लर्न बैंकिंग प्रोडक्ट, कासा, लोन, क्रेडिट एंड एवरीथिंग. इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मेरी जो 1 साल की ट्रेनिंग थी मणिपाल अकेडमी में, आई वॉज फ्रॉम नॉन मेडिकल, तो मुझे लाइक कॉमर्स की तरह मुझे लाइक कॉमर्स के बच्चों को अच्छे से आता है थोड़ा, तो मुझे आई हैड जीरो नॉलेज, बट मैंने उस 1 साल में मणिपाल में आई लर्नड अ लॉट. वो दे गिव सो गुड ट्रेनिंग. आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. This training seriously built my confidence and prepared me for handling customers professionally. So if you are fresher, don't worry, that's exactly why the training is there. Now comes salary and career growth question. So the exact salary packages change according to the bank's policy and location, so I won't mention a fixed figure, but however it's a great opportunity for fresh graduates, because apart from the salary you receive structured training, corporate exposure and excellent career growth opportunity within one of India's leading private bank. And always remember, banking isn't only about your first salary. If you perform consistently, there are plenty of opportunities for promotion, role changes and career progression. So you should definitely go for this program. अगर आपके में एक भी डाउट है, so don't think much and just join this program. And now coming about my honest experience of working in ICICI bank and मैंने क्यों छोड़ा ICICI बैंक. Okay, so now again important question जो लोगों के दिमाग में चल रहा होगा, why I should join this program, should I join or not? So my answer is it depends on your career goal. If you're looking for a government style banking job where work is mostly desk based and customer interaction is limited, then this role may not be a right fit. But if you want to learn quickly, build confidence, improve your communication skill, work in a professional corporate environment and grow your career in private banking, then this program is definitely for you. One thing I will always tell you, that don't join banking just because someone told you the salary is good. Join because you are genuinely interested in interacting with people, solving customers' problem and building long-term relationship, because that's what private banking is looking for. So now my personal experience, when I joined ICICI Bank, I was so nervous. Everything was so new. The system, customers, targets, product, everything was so new. Even speaking confidently with customers felt challenging in the beginning, but that's completely normal. Slowly with training and daily experience, I became more confident. Every customer interaction taught me something new and every challenge helped me grow. Looking back today, I can confidently say that those 4 years taught me much more than banking. They taught me communication, professionalism, time management, problem solving, handling pressure and build trust with customers. These are skills that still help me today in my career as a content creator. And why I left my job, because of my daughter. She is still small, so I'm on break. So मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन शुरू किया था. So that's was it. I hope you like the video and कोई भी और क्वेश्चन होगा please comment down below. I will definitely answer it. So I hope you like the video. Bye bye. Meet you next video.